Hi everybody, it's Audrey again. We're going to be doing something called the dangers of chemistry, okay? Okay, I also do science too, so yeah, I have 3 things I do. This right here is just ordinary dishwater. Just some ordinary tap water. I'm trying to find a position where you guys can see this, but I'll just show it to you as we go. Okay? Good. I forget what to do. I did some science and chemistry the other day. Yeah. How much is this? I need 2 fluid ounces of hydrogen peroxide. You get hydrogen peroxide at a local pharmacy. I say you need about 4 fluid ounces. Or about 3 actually. You need about 3 fluid ounces, so I got about 3 fluid ounces of hydrogen peroxide in this cup. Next, oh my god, I need another cup. Okay, I'm back with 2 more cups in case I discover I need some more. So, in we pour in some water. Going up to, I gotta check how much. We got 4 fluid ounces. You should already be getting some sodium carbonate bubbles, which you can't really see, but you will see in our solution. So all that, shake it tiny bit. I have a thing where I can shake it like this, because I have a chemistry measuring glass, but you might not. So then I pour it all in here. So this cup can hold about 8 fluid ounces. Next we put in is about 1 fluid ounce of Bactine. That's perfect. Then make it go up to 2 with just some regular toilet cleaner. It's called Ajax with bleach, whatever it is. Stir that up a bit, you get some white foam bubble reaction. Pour that into a different cup. I gotta wash out this cup. So I have an empty bottle of water right here. Just pour it in and it turns blue. That should be pretty good. There's only a bit left because this part doesn't even matter that much. What you gotta do is up to 2 fluid ounces of regular water. I'm gonna remember to wash my hands before I start eating my salad, which I just have in the same room, which is not a very good idea. Now get 2 fluid ounces of this, Windex. So move it up to 4 fluid ounces. Or 5 fluid ounces, actually. You will see it turns blue thanks to the Windex. But what Windex has in it is, forget what it was, Same thing as Bactine. Okay, so it has a sodium chloride formulation, which is basically salt, table salt, and this is the one with hydrogen peroxide in water. This has the sodium formulation, which is based on the idea that a compound of fission and nuclear physics mixed with this creates this. So let's mix these together. Can I do with ordinary water? I'll just wash away the pollution outside. So from mixing Bactine and toilet cleaner together, you will get a formulation based on the idea that a solid can be immersed into a colored liquid with compressed air. Obviously, I didn't merge it with my compressed air yet. It's a manual air compressor. I really gotta get an electric one. So there you go. Now you need some sugar antidotes and some antitoxins, which is why I have an orange Starburst, because it works the best. Do not eat this. I forget which cup I put it in, but we put that in after. So let's compress it with air. Great. Don't need this anymore. Now all you gotta do is add in a little antitoxin, a bit more antitoxin. So you use red food coloring because I find, again, it works the best. 1 drop into the little hole you made with a manual air compressor. That's good about manual air compressors. In chemistry like this, it makes little holes for you to put stuff in. Now just compress a bit more, but get a bit of a sample of it. Do not use this. And mix it in with your already formula. It's going to start to turn rose. That means it's working, and if you still see a bit of blue, it means you have it correct, because this is based on the idea, again, making fission. If we had uranium and added it to that, we would have basically the materials to make an atomic bomb, but since I don't have uranium, oh well, maybe next time. Just a joke, seriously. I don't know where I'd find any uranium around here. But then I have this, it was with Windex, and this is with the not Bactine, hydrogen peroxide. You mix them together. Leave some. And then you want some vitamin Z, which would be found in yellow food coloring. It's based on the idea that the antitoxins mixed with the alpha sodium chlorides. And you put some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 drops in there. You need 10 units. And if you start seeing the water turning orange and bubbles hardening, it means you're doing it correct. But when you put this antitoxin in here, let's see what happens. Because I didn't get this far in school yet. Okay, what happens is it's going to change the water color and it fizzes up. But the danger of this is not washing your hands after and doing something mistakenly, but don't do this at home, kids. Don't. So the part that you put yellow will not be overpowered by the red, and the bubbles will harden. I'm not sure if you could see that, but that's what happens. Okay, so but now what we do, we put that in there. We put that in there. We put that in there. Now what we do is we add a bit more toilet cleaner into the formula. It doesn't matter how much. Just over 1 ounce. I can finish off that water bottle too. Fill it up and you have stiff bubbles, which is pretty cool, I think. Which I think, for one. I'm not sure if other people do. I think it is pretty cool. So, there you have it. What and what not to do in chemistry. Ta-da!